You want to see some Gaelic metalcore in Glasgow or in County Donegal, specifically at the Hug and Pint on Saturday 1st November or in Gweedore on Saturday 27th September? Well, do I have news for you. Gweedore are playing Dorn San Aer Festival in Gweedore in Donegal alongside all of these talented acts. It's a 3-day event celebrating the life and impact of Ronan Mahiwi and the broader Irish and Celtic culture that he was a champion of. It's our first show overseas and we are honoured to have been asked to play, agus bí muise a bring sa Gaelic, ag a chuirim sin etar na hárain agus stocha bagan a squaige. And then the day after Halloween in our home city, Glasgow, we are at the Hug and Pint supporting Coil Guns and Kakihara. Tickets are on sale right now for 14 quid. I expect this show will sell out. I've also suggested in the Gweedore group chat that we dress up since it's Halloween weekend, so hísig. Ashing at Verinder son and Kurum and Kuel Shaw, Chianig Ticketchin, Asavat, they will not be hanging around for long. Agus hísing Shivin Shin for more stuff like this.